Nice. So that's why I cased the triple the last time I rode this thing. Yes! It's 85 CR125 Teardown Day. I just want to say thank you to all you guys for the subs, the comments, the likes, the support you guys have given me this week on this project. It's been unreal. I can't say thank you enough. I appreciate it. You guys have put the MX in my channel. The parts are ordered for this bike. They'll be here in a few days. Look for some updates on this bike next week as well. Thank you guys. Let's get started. Let's tear it down, shall we? A little tap that way. Here we go. Nice. Give Mitch a call at Pro Circuit. Tell him to send me a new PC pipe, please. Works edition. What we got in there? Rust and crust. Oh, the pipe's even rusted through. Look at that. See that? She is rusted through. The one that got away. How's that carb looking? No, I didn't really think the kicker was just going to walk itself off, but this is one of the nicer parts of this motorcycle, so we want to be extra careful with this. That's the longest Kickstarter I've ever punted. Place your bets. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's the sprocket falling apart. It's too bad, still had good wear. I didn't think that'd be that easy. Granted, that's the easy part. Well, the actual adjusters are rounded off. Wow. I was thinking I was gonna have to cut these off with a grinder. It's actually loosened up. Wishful thinking with this. Split it. Yes! Pivot bolt moves. Oh, that's nice. So I didn't drain the oil, and to be honest, I forgot to even check if there was coolant in this thing. I'm thinking no. What do you think? I'm gonna say there's nothing in there. I'm so confident. I'm gonna go ahead and do it with no container. Oh, she feels empty. She's empty. Let's just go for it. Ow. The metal part's hot. Idiot. There we go. There she is. Oh yeah. Yes. That is nice. What do you think? Pretty sweet, huh? Bowl of oatmeal. Oh no. You guys see that? Oh way. There's no drain plug. Yeah, you can see that. Look at that. No drain plug. Wow. Just gets better. No drain plug? I've never seen that before. Oh, wow. Show me your drain plug. We don't have one. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for me tonight. Stoked we've got no drain plug and a corroded water pump situation. Awesome. Can't wait to see what we find when we split those cases. My son will be back. He had a low-grade fever today. He wasn't able to join us. He'll be back. Lots of parts came in this week. We even have a parts bike. How cool is that? So thank you, Chris, for that. Can't say thank you enough. You hooked me up on that, buddy. So more to come. Stay tuned. Thank you for following along, and we will see you guys soon. All right? Take care. So I'm here with Chris, and Chris was nice enough to give us this 1985 CR125 project bike. So Chris, what's the story with this bike?
So a coworker, Kenny, it was his son's bike, and he was cleaning his garage one Saturday. He called me up and said, "Hey, you want a dirt bike? You got like 20 minutes till I head to the dump." So I packed up, went over with the dump truck, picked it up, and I had all good intentions of putting it together, but you know, I kind of think that it's going to be a wash. I'll probably have more into it than it's worth. And I came across Jason's story online, and he's got the same bike, kind of the same scenario, so I figured he could use it for parts and pieces.
Well, we sure can, and I sure do appreciate it. We're going to give him a nice tip, though, because I really do appreciate it. Oh, you even have the cylinder in there. I didn't even know the cylinder was in there. Nice.
Yeah, I think I'm missing some parts of the power valve that I think
That's
I have,
all right,
but
because I have those. This is the big one right here, is the right side case. Mine is completely rotted out. I mean, we won't know until we get it out, but that's huge. That's huge. That is big. Front brake assembly, which is huge. We don't have that. We can use the forks. We'll see. You know me, I might end up keeping it and building two. My pipe was rotted out. We got a pipe in there. That was, oh, you got the chain. Nice. Look at that. That's what we're missing. I could not find this. This is gold.
yeah, the left side case is a little busted up like they usually are, but
yeah, and you said they welded the.
Yeah.
We'll just cut that off.
Yeah, probably could grind the weld off. I'm sure the splines are still there.
Yeah, yeah. Case is busted just like mine. That's awesome. Looks pretty straight. I mean, besides the, like you said, the blown fork seals. Nice. These are intact. Pretty sweet, not all rock. A lot of bikes in New England get completely, you know, from the forks and all the rocks here in New England. That's awesome. Air boot's petrified, but we got one of those coming. That is awesome. Man. Swing arm even looks like it might be good. Yeah. What a sweet score. Well, let's get it loaded up. I can't say thank you enough. And look for some updates. Check this thing out. What year you said? 36?
Yes.
Oh, the hand crank. I love it. Look at that. You said your grandparents had a dairy farm?
Yep.
Wow. This thing's awesome. That is sweet. Flatbed. Good old dually. That's sick.